Good morning, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I'm glad to see everyone. You are welcome to our English lesson. Our today's general topic is water, water everywhere. And today we are going to speak about weather, rain. Today our new theme. Let's start our lesson. The first task is introduction with new vocabulary. Now listen. Boots, ботинки. Boots, ботинки. Shorts, шорты. Shorts, шорты. Raincoat, плащ, дождевик. Raincoat, плащ, дождевик. Sandals, сандали. Sandals, сандали. T-shirt, футболка. T-shirt, футболка. Umbrella, зонт. Umbrella, зонт. Sunny, солнечно. Sunny, солнечно. Rainy, дождливо. Rainy, дождливо. Open your pupils' books at page 94. Look at the picture. What kind of weather do you like? Посмотрите на рисунок. Погода солнечная или дождливая? Какая погода вам нравится? For example, it's sunny or rainy. I like sunny weather. I like rainy weather. Now, open your copybooks and write down what kind of clothes you need and don't need in rainy weather. А теперь напиши, какая одежда нужна и не нужна в дождливую погоду. Работаем в тетради. For example, I need boots when it's rainy. I don't need sandals. Let's play a game. Do the riddles. My color is yellow. I'm shaped like a ball. I live in the sky. I'm very hot. What am I? Of course, sun. My color is white. I'm round like a circle. I live in the sky. I come at night. What am I? Now you think. My color is white. I have many fluffy sheets. I live in the sky. What am I? I'm colorful. I'm made of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You see me in the sky after trains. What am I? Think. Now you think. They come out at night without being caught and are lost in the day without being stolen. What are they? Now you think. My color is white. I'm round like a circle. I live in the sky. I come at night. What am I? Moon. My color is white. I have many fluffy shapes. I live in the sky. What am I? Clouds. I'm colorful. I'm made of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You see me in the sky after trains. What am I? Rainbow. They they come they come out at night without being caught and are lost in the day without being stolen. What are they? Stars. Let's watch.
On a sunny day I'm happy. On a sunny day I smile. Flowers bloom in the sunlight. We play outside and we go and look for butterflies. On a rainy day I'm happy. On a rainy day I smile. Hills and trees look fresh and green, and I see rainbow colored umbrellas in the streets. On a windy day I'm happy. On a windy day I smile. All the leaves shake and fly, and my kite is flying high in the sky. On a snowy day I'm happy. On a snowy day I smile. Snowflakes fall on my window. Frozen leaves shine like silver stars in a dream.
At the end of the lesson, I want to give you homework. Your homework will be to learn new words and make 4 sentences. Вашим домашним заданием будет выучить новые слова, а также составить 4 предложения. For example, I need when it's rainy or sunny. For example, I need raincoat when it's rainy. I don't need sandals when it's rainy. And exercise 1, page 70, activity book. Activity book at page 70, exercise 1. Now, thank you for your attention. I wish you good health. The lesson is over. Goodbye, pupils.